Welcome to this instructional video, showcasing an installation of the WaStop return valve from Wapro with the use of bespoke bent mounting tabs, a rubber seal and concrete anchor bolts. Clean out the hose pipe and inspect for irregularities inside the pipe. Position the WaStop return valve with the spine of the membrane upwards, where the flow direction, in the shape of an arrow, as well as the text "this side up," is noted on the label of the valve. Proceed to gently knock the valve into the pipe with the use of a hammer. Note that no hammer should be used directly onto the valve. Mark out the position of the bolt holes, remove the valve, and proceed to drill holes at the marked positions. Be aware to not drill through the hose pipe. Place appropriate size concrete anchor bolts to the pre-drilled holes according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Damaged, out of round or otherwise irregular pipes might require additional sealant material, such as swellable profiles, to fill minor cracks.